Good morning to all of you. You are listening Hips Elias, your news anchor from Lava Fara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 13 July from around the world. Now it's time to listen today's breaking news. The COVID-19 count in India inches closer to 8.50 lakh mark with 28,637 new cases and 551 deaths in the past 24 hours. The Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said with the latest spike, the total coronavirus cases in the country now stand at 8,49,553. Of the total coronavirus cases in India, 2,92,258 are active cases while 5,34,621 individuals have been cured and discharged from the hospitals. The death toll in country now stands at 22,674. No guarantee Trump will back India against China if tensions escalate, former US NSA John Bolton. Former United States National Security Advisor John Bolton has said that if the Sino-India border tensions escalate, there is no guarantee that US President Donald Trump will back India against China. China has been behaving in a belligerent fashion all around its periphery, certainly in the East and South China Sea, and its relations with Japan, India as well as others have declined, Bolton told in an interview. Coming soon, world's highest rail bridge by Indian Railways over River Chenab. Once the development work of the bridge is completed, it will surpass the record of China's Weiping River Shuibai Railways Bridge, 275 meters. Indian Railways will soon have the world's highest railway bridge. The 1.315 km long Chenab Bridge is being built above the Chenab River at a highest of 359 meters in Jammu and Kashmir. The engineering marvel will soon connect most remote parts of the country in Jammu and Kashmir with the mainland India. The bridge is being built on the Katra-Banihal railway line at village Kauri in the Riaz district. According to officials, the bridge will be 359 meters above the Chenab River bed and will also be 30 meters higher than the iconic Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. Money heist: a full-fledged SBI branch in Tamil Nadu's Kudalur turns out to be fake. A fake State Bank of India branch has been exposed and busted in Tamil Nadu's Kudalur district. The fake branch had reportedly been operating for about 3 months before their deception was finally unmasked. As per reports, the fraudulent branch was busted after a customer visited the branch and then discussed it with the branch manager of a real SBI branch. 3 people, including the son of 2 former SBI employees, have been arrested following the revelation. No need to take tension. Now corona patients can be treated at home. According to the guidelines, symptomatic patients without symptoms and patients with mild symptoms or virus will be free in 5-7 days. In the guidelines issued on June 5, they are to be discharged on the 10th day without any investigation if they do not have trouble breathing during this time and everything is normal. Corona patients without symptoms can be isolated and kept at home to provide treatment. Keeping in mind the dwindling resource due to increasing number of corona patients, the central government and the India Council for Medical Researchers have issued new guidelines to all states. This will reduce unnecessary stress in hospitals. Serious patients will be better treated in existing resources. I, Hifzalias, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.